Hey, what's up? I'm Nick from Multicult, and we're doing a gear share installment series called What's That Noise for Scene Point Blank magazine. First off, we're going to go over the Harmonic Percolator, which is the main sort of meat and potatoes sound that we've used for years in Multicult. I'm a big fan of this pedal. Really consistent, very dynamic sounding pedal. And I've recently just gotten this Brass Child pedal from Rover that adds a lot of hair and grit that I've sort of been longing for when I want to push things up. It has a lot of sustain and just a lot of texture that is really nice if you're standing really far away from your amp on a stage. Also have this redacted overdrive that is a lot more of a traditional mid-rangey kind of sound. And last but not least is the much appreciated Digitech Jam, which loads on any sample that you want in stereo. I play it in mono through this, but it's a great space filler for when we're tuning guitars and looking foolish on stage.
I've been eating food for 12 years.
And now we'll move on to Rebecca, and she'll tell you a little bit about her famous bass rig and all of the cool pedals that she uses in that lineup.
Hi, I'm Rebecca from Multicult. Cut. I like to take the approach that less is more when it comes to tone and gear. And so I use 2 pedals and that's it. So I have a Rover Distortion, which is a pedal I built. It's a copy of a 1980s Rat clone, which has always been one of my favorite pedals. So I decided to make my own. And I thought it sounded even better than what I had. So and then I also built myself this gain boost, and with the two together, I was pretty much just